Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is brown, an A1 level noun meaning a dark earthy color. Brown is a very common color. It's the color of chocolate, soil, and many tree trunks. We use it to describe a variety of things in our daily lives. Let's look at some synonyms. A close synonym would be chocolate, as in the puppy was the color of chocolate, or I love chocolate cake. Another synonym could be tan. For instance, her skin had a beautiful tan, or the boots were a light tin color. Now for some antonyms. An antonym for brown is white. Consider the opposite of the dark brown bear was a white polar bear, or the wall was painted white, not brown. Another antonym could be black, like the contrast between the brown wood and the black paint was stark, or the black cat was not brown at all. In everyday life, you might say, I have a brown bag, or those are brown shoes, or even I need some brown paper. Here are some sentences. The bear was brown. She wore a brown hat. The soil is very brown today. I prefer brown rice. The brown paint has dried. So to recap, brown is a common noun that describes a dark earthy color, with synonyms like chocolate and tan, and antonyms like white and black. I hope you found this helpful. Remember to subscribe to the podcast. Leaving a review helps others find us. We appreciate your support. Now, we'd love to see you create your own sentence using brown and share it in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.